Hi there, it's Carl here from Cleaning How To, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to remove this sweat stain, which you can just see the staining here and the normal mattress here. I'm going to show you guys how to remove this from a mattress. It's quite simple really. I'm using a peroxide and then I'm going to neutralize it with an acid. So I'm going to grab my peroxide now, which I'm going to apply with a mitt just to the area of staining, so nowhere else, just to the area of staining. And I'm not going to saturate it, just enough for the peroxide to do its job. And you can actually already see it starting to fade out just there. I'm going to gently rub this in across the entire sweat stain, and then I'm going to rinse it out and neutralize it. So I'll be back to you guys in a minute when I've applied all of this and show you how I'm rinsing it out. Okay, so that was nice and simple, and we put the peroxide on. I've given it about a 5-minute dwell, and the staining was around here, and it is now gone. So what I'm now going to do is rinse it out, and I've got an acid rinse in my tank. So these little jets are going to inject water, and the 2 vacuum slots are going to pull it out. And basically I'm going to use the air mover over here to dry the mattress then, and then we're good to go. If you don't have, which most people won't, have a tool like this, it's fine to towel the mattress off. Just keep the amount of peroxide you're using to a minimum. You don't need much, it will do its job. Keep the peroxide to a minimum and towel the mattress dry. You can, if you wish, then use a clean cloth with just some water on it to wipe it over again and towel it off again, and then leave it to dry, and that's how you get a sweat stain out of a mattress.